Hi guys, I hope you're well. I am carrying on with my favourite brands, kind of like little mini video series, and so many of you have been right about the brands that I love. Bobbi Brown is a brand that I have loved for as long as I can remember. Like, before I even got into makeup, Bobbi Brown's one of those like aspiring brands that you love, and there's so many good things from Bobbi Brown. But there's some products which I just absolutely love, and I feel like recently I've got into Bobbi Brown even more because it's so easy with makeup to kind of just like go off and discover all these brands and stuff. Amazing brands, not just any old brands, they're all like amazing brands. And obviously every brand is trying to like bring in their new product and stuff like that. But lately, like, so that, you know, kind of like the originals like Bobbi Brown and MAC and NARS kind of just like get put on the back burner for a little while, but these are brands that you're always going to come back to. And especially when you're doing makeup on other people, or like as a makeup artist or something like that, kind of want to go to the brands that you rely on. You don't want to be trying out new things, and you want to go to brands that they've heard of and that they trust as well. So anyway, that's my kind of like little intro to my video. So I have tried really hard to narrow it down to 5 products that I love from Bobbi Brown, but I actually have 6 products. I just can't help it. It's just too good. I mean, it's a good thing there's only 6. I'm going to start off with this Bobbi Brown foundation stick. It is this basic foundation stick. You would have seen it everywhere. But have you actually tried it? I'm wearing it right now. It is so easy. It's like, it lasts so long. It's so buildable. Like, I am actually going out later. If I feel like I need a bit of extra coverage, I'll just pop it on, blend it in. It's not going to go all funny and clumpy and flaky and look like caked on. It's still going to look good. I literally just go swipe, 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 and blend it all in with my fingers. It's just so easy to use. My shade is Honey in all the foundations, across all the foundations, but this foundation is probably my favourite. I do love the new Longwear Complete foundation from Bobbi Brown, but I've had testers of it. I haven't actually got around to buying the full foundation yet, but I will do, because that's a really good foundation as well. It feels really lightweight, lasts all day if you prefer a liquid, but honestly I love this stick foundation. But also from Bobbi Brown, I love this bronzer, and this one is actually a new discovery, like in the past few months. It's called Bobbi Brown, and it lasts so long. It just gives you like a really nice sun-kissed glow. When you look at it just like this, there does look like there's a lot of sparkle, but really when you've got it on, it just looks like a nice sun-kissed glow. It doesn't look too sparkly at all. It's one of these shades that will suit all skin tones. It's obviously going to show up a lot more if you're like fair skin. When I look at it just like in the pot or in the compact, it does look like it's the same shade as my skin, but it's not. It just gives such a lovely sun-kissed glow. Then the Bobbi Brown art sticks are such an amazing formula. They're like these chubby sticks, and this is the shade Dusty Pink. I absolutely love this. This is in my handbag all the time because every day I wear my liquid lipstick combination, which I love, and I'm always going to love because it's just such a great combination. And it's like this rose pink nude lip combo that I've got going on right now, but throughout the day that kind of gets dry, and I always reapply this art stick every single day, and it really lasts. I go out for dinner, I go out for drinks, and it lasts. And this shade Dusty Pink is like, could not get more what I want in life. Like this, I just want everything in this Dusty Pink shade. Every lipstick ever. It is such an amazing product, such an amazing shade. I wear this every single day without fail. It is always in my handbag. It's like my everyday thing. If I had to pick one product from Bobbi Brown that I had to have for the rest of my life, it'd have to be this. This is the Bobbi Brown Longwear Perfectly Defined Brown Pencil. So on one side you have a spoolie, and on the other side you have got your like brow pencil stroke crayon, angled, so you can get very defined and precise brows. Literally, this is just like my shade is Espresso. I literally spend like 2 minutes on my brows with this. It's so quick because I literally just go do, fill in any kind of like blanks. I don't overdraw my brows, anything like that. And then I brush through with the spoolie because I like how it feels, and it kind of just evens everything out, makes sure there's no like harsh lines, and it's easy to go. It's very unusual that I'd want to spend £30 on a brow product, but this is so good, and it actually lasts a good 4-5 months, and this is all I use. I love it. It's just one of my favourite products from Bobbi Brown because I really do think it's such a good product. So yeah, that's that one. Shadow sticks. Now I love shadow sticks from lots of brands, but these ones from Bobbi Brown do not budge, and you can wear them in your waterline as well, and they do not budge. They are so good. I am wearing Rich Caviar today on the corners of my eyes. They're so good for a smoky eye. They're so good for any like quick look you want to do. I wish they did a whole load more shades because they're just so good and so easy to use and so blendable. So I thought I would mention them because I do love them, and I use them a lot. Is the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. Literally such a good, non-clumpy, buildable, long-lasting mascara which makes your eyelashes look really long, like they've got good volume, but like they still look natural at the same time. They don't give you like false lash effect. A lot of people like that false lash effect, and if you do like it, then you just build it up and up and up. But what I love about this is that I can do a coat of this in the morning. My eyelashes look all nice and natural and fluttery and lovely, and in the evening, if I'm kind of like just touching up on my face and I get a little powder in my eyelashes or something like that, I can just do another coat and it's not going to go all weird. You know when you just put like a coat of mascara on like dry mascara from the morning, it just goes horrible, but this doesn't. It's really buildable. Yeah, I love it. It doesn't get all like clumpy. It's such a good mascara. It's got a really good wand as well. You can see it. It's just really lovely formula, and it's an amazing mascara. I had to talk about it because it is 100% one of my favourite products from Bobbi Brown. I forgot about the face base, which is a product I absolutely love, and the reason I didn't talk about it is because I've actually run out. I need to get another one, but oh my god, it's such an amazing moisturiser and smells so good, so I need to get myself another one ASAP because I love it. It's got all the vitamins in it for your skin. It just creates a lovely canvas for you to put your makeup on. It is lovely, and just generally the Bobbi Brown skincare is absolutely amazing. Their blushes are good. So yeah, those are my favourite products from Bobbi Brown. Comment below, let me know what I'm missing out on.